Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about PeachLive app, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial that how I managed to get unlimited coins inside of the app, guys. And I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how you can do it. Also use everything for free. So make sure you're gonna watch this video until the end, and make sure you're gonna follow the mentioned steps I'm going to demonstrate to you guys. In this tutorial you're gonna be able to get the same amount as me. And of course, before you're gonna leave, you know what you have to do. You need to support my channel if you want me to make more tutorials like this. And of course, if you like this video in the end, just press the like button. Okay, so I'm just going to open the app real quick, guys, so you can see by yourself what I'm talking about, and then we'll go immediately to show you what you have to do. Just go to my profile. As you can see, the coins over here, I got so many of them, and now I'm going to show you guys step by step that how you can do it also you. So before you start the loading process, guys, of this mod, which is going to generate you the coins, you just need to make few changes in the settings if you didn't do it before. If you did it, you don't have to go in the settings. So practically for those who didn't do it, you just need to go to the settings and then to scroll it down till to the general over here, and then background upper fresh again. Make sure you're going to select Wi-Fi and mobile data, guys. This is going to help you the downloading process doesn't interrupt, so the whole process can be done correctly. Okay, so after you complete this one, just get back to the settings again and then scroll it down till to the battery. If you are using a lower power mode, make sure you're gonna switch it off, guys, before you start the loading process of this mod. So after you finish the whole process, you can come back and switch it on again if you like to have it lower power mode active. Okay, so these steps that I mentioned to you before, guys, are only necessary for the iOS users. Okay, for the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. All you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser, and you can use any kind of internet browser which you prefer, and you need to search about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys right now, and I'll focus it for you. So you have to go inside of this website. You're going to face these different categories over here. Practically, you're looking for a mod, you just can press the mod and search on it, or easy way, search in the searching bar, put keywords, and here it comes, PeachLive app mod, and you just need to press that blue sign over here, and as you can see here you have the information about the app and the instructions. So practically all you have to do, you just need to press the blue button. It will start the loading process of the mod. In the end of this process, you're going to be able to inject the mod, and you're going to be able to generate the coins same as I did it in the PeachLive app. Okay, so guys, this is my video tutorial for today. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Just to mention one more thing, it might happen to somebody of you, depends on the region where you are. It might require an extra step in the end, guys. So all you have to do is just follow what is required. You're going to be able to get the mod also. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.